Introduce features, highlight or overview summary about GO2CRAFT 30OZ Tumbler Heat Press Machine. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features, highlight or overview summary are include. Express your attitude towards life. GO2CRAFT Mug Press Machine. Exquisitely designed cups convey your attitude towards life. The Tumbler Heat Press Machine can help you obtain a simple and professional transfer method, which can give a different meaning to ordinary cups, 11 to 30 ounce, within 5 minutes. More professional tumbler press machine. Exclusive custom cup heat transfer machine, with high thermal conductivity, and a double butterfly adjusting nut, helps you sublimate the image heat transfer smoothly and evenly. Perfectly presenting bright colors and patterns. Multi-function digital control panel enables you to achieve more precise temperature, 0 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 250 degrees Celsius, and time, 0 to 999 second, adjustments, according to your requirements. Celsius and Fahrenheit can be converted to each other. Easy to use and portable. Print your favorite pattern on sublimation paper, then stick it on the cup with high temperature tape, adjust the temperature and time. And you can finish the cup after the first temperature is heated. Our cup heat press can be continuously heat pressed to achieve batch transfer. You can experience the convenience of a one-click setting, which is very suitable for beginners and professionals. Powerful yet light and portable. Unique gifts for your loved one. A thoughtful gift idea with GO2CRAFT Tumbler Press Machine. Your loved ones will be very happy when they see their favorite pattern printed on the gifts. Unique and exquisite gifts are perfect for Christmas, anniversaries, and birthdays, as well as for congratulations, graduations, and weddings. Strong and safe material. GO2CRAFT 30OZ Cup Press Heat Machine has FCC certification, which is safer, stronger, and more durable. High-quality coasters, fit with the body, are not easy to separate, and have a long service life. We attach great importance to the needs and experiences of users. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.